In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Bolt Ride app. If you are encountering challenges while trying to install this app that you can't install it, then in this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step process to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are about 3 or 4 ways you can use to fix this problem. Now, in the first method, just go to Google Play Store and open it, and you need to make sure you are logged in with your email, that is your Gmail account, before you search for your app and install it. However, if this was not possible, then you need to tap on the profile icon here and go down to settings, and under settings look for network preference, and under this go for app download preference. You want to change this to ensure that you are on over any network. So this option allows you to download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, now tap on OK, and from here you need to search for your app, see if you can now install Uber Ride app. However, if you can't, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For this, we need to access the app info page by just long pressing on the app, and you should see app info here. However, if this option is missing on your phone, then you should be having a settings gear around here, or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of these to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, first we need to force stop the app. This will prevent or stop any background activities that are running on Play Store that might be hindering app installations. Then we need to clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you'll see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. And when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects each and every time you use the app, and it gathers this data and stores this information to enhance your user experience. However, when these cache files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache, and okay. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone and now open Google Play Store and finally run a search for your apps or search for Bolt, and then I'll go to it and try now to install it. So at this point now everything should be okay. As you can see now, I'm able to download and install this app. However, if you can't still download it, then you might want to check if you have enough space. If you don't, free up space and then try to install your app. So by using any of these methods, now you should be able to download and install Bolt app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.